Today, we will watch a brain pop video about adolescence. Miss Derek, could I please use the bathroom? Go ahead, but please be quick. Alright, here's my chance to fake a school lockdown. Attention everybody, we are having a school lockdown. Please ensure you lock your doors, turn off the lights, and Billy, what do you think you're doing in here? Nothing. You do not fake a school lockdown. I am gonna stop this. Attention, please. You may have noticed that this was actually a fake lockdown. It was an ugly student that did this terrible prank. Billy, you are going to be in big time trouble when I call your parents. Billy, how dare you try to fake a school lockdown? You could get taken to jail for a very long time. But it was a harmless joke. You do not do this as a joke either. That was not a harmless joke. You're grounded until Walmart goes out of business.